GWC A1200 wire mesh welding machine developed and produced by Xinzhou Technology, which is a welding production line that welds straight bars into wire mesh. The machine is mainly composed of 5 parts, such as longitudinal bar rack, welding host, horizontal bar falling mechanism, mesh pulling mechanism, and electric control system. The welding speed is 70 to 90 rows per minute. The longitudinal bar spacing is greater than or equal to 75 millimeters, stepless adjustable. The horizontal bar spacing is greater than or equal to 20 millimeters, sleepless adjustable. The width of welding mesh is 460 to 1,200 millimeters, suitable for 3 to 7 millimeter round steel welding. The feeding method is straight bar feeding. The machine adopts human-machine interface plus PLC programming controller control. The whole production line only needs 1 to 2 people to operate. The operation is simple and convenient. It produces 3 to 7 millimeter wire mesh, widely used in roads, railways, bridges, tunnels, steel structure, prefabricated housing, and other fields.